In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly on Windows. Grammarly AI. Grammar Checker. Let's get started right on your Windows computer. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly, then press Enter. Look for the official Grammarly website in the results and click it to open the site. This takes you to Grammarly's platform, where you can work directly in the browser without installing anything. Once you're on the site, create a fresh workspace by selecting New Doc. This opens a clean, blank document inside Grammarly's editor. Think of it like a simple word processor powered by AI. Now, type your text directly into the page. If you've already written something elsewhere, you can paste it in here so Grammarly can review it. As your text appears, Grammarly will begin evaluating it in the background, and you'll start to see suggestions showing up in line. Before you dive into edits, set the context for better feedback. Click on Academic. Choosing the academic setting tells Grammarly you want formal, precise, and evidence-based writing. It helps the avoid overly casual phrasing and encourages clear, objective language that suits essays, reports, and research summaries. After choosing academic, click Done to apply those preferences. This locks in your goal so that every suggestion you see aligns with academic standards for tone and clarity. Give Grammarly a moment to scan your file. The length and complexity of your document can affect how long this takes, so a brief pause here is normal. While it processes, you might notice the editor refreshing highlights and underlines. That's Grammarly analyzing correctness, clarity, and style. When the scan finishes, open the summary by clicking on Overall Score. This score represents the quality of writing in your document at a glance. Inside the Performance panel, you'll typically see key indicators such as correctness and clarity, plus helpful stats like word count and estimated reading time. Use this snapshot to understand where your writing is strong and where it could use attention. From here, review the inline suggestions that appear throughout your document. You'll see underlines that call out potential grammar, punctuation, and word choice improvements tailored to the academic setting you selected. Read each explanation, decide what fits your intent, and apply changes that improve accuracy and readability while preserving your voice. That's it. You opened Grammarly through Google, started a new document, typed or pasted your text, set the academic goal, confirmed your choice, allowed the scan to finish, and check the overall score to guide your final polish. Follow these steps each time you write, and your Windows workflow will stay clean, consistent, and clear.